Hi everyone, welcome to the Pati Patni and Lockdown show. This is episode 3. We have two fantastic episodes in the last, what happened now? In the last couple of Sundays, and we look forward to a more entertaining round this Sunday. Like usual, we have three couples, and I'll ask the couples to introduce themselves, and then we'll start the show. Can you start with Jitendra?
Good afternoon, everybody. This is Jitendra Agarwal. I am joining this program, which is Pati Patni and Lockdown, and not Pati Patni and Wo. So I have got my wife, only one wife, and one son in my family. So we have pleasure having to be part of this program.
Thank
Hello
you.
everyone, this is Meera. Was working with GE for the last 22 years, now promoted to a full-time homemaker. I also happen to be our host, Manoj's sister.
Yes. So welcome Jitendra and Meera. Let's start with Tejas. Next.
Hi, this is Tejas Mehta with my wife Meghna Mehta. I work with RBL Bank, and yeah, great to be part of the show. Anup Purohit from Yes Bank told me, Tejas, why don't you also participate? I think Anup participated last week.
That's right. That's right.
Yeah, this is Meghna. I'm a chartered accountant. I've been at home and working from home since the past 1.5 year.
Okay.
I have two sons, 13 and 6. So this is something new to me. I have never experienced some kind of live show like this. So I'm looking forward to it now. It's going to
Okay.
be fun, I'm sure.
Great. Yeah, good to have you. So with two sons of that age, do you have time to audit Tejas or not?
Not really.
Tejas बच गए तुम. Okay, okay. Let's now move on to Murthy.
Hi, my name is KRC Murthy. I work for Kotak Mahindra Bank. I take care of the entire production support for the bank. Been with the bank for 2 years now. And this is my wife, Padma Sirisha. I'll let her
Hi.
introduce her.
Hi, I'm Sirisha. I've done agriculture BSc and then I'm taking tuitions right now.
Okay, okay. Good, good variety. So I think we have a good variety of people on the show. My wife is a homemaker and the boss at home. So now I'm 24 hours under her surveillance. So all this is
Before also, you were her surveillance 24 hours. Don't worry.
with her approval in writing on a stamp paper. I'm exaggerating. It's a loving relationship. So cool. All of you look happy. So I think we're going to have a fun show, happy show. We have around 8 or 10 questions. We'll go through these, and for each question, I'll give you some options. So all questions are open to all participants. Okay. So I'd like a reply from each of you, and you give a reply which you think is the best, is the most fun, and then we'll go along. Right. So let's start with the first question. Some questions are for the men, some questions are for the ladies, and some questions are for both. Okay. Now this question is for the men. Okay. And your question is this: if you have to do modeling for a dupatta, okay, and you have to do catwalk with the dupatta, what would you wear this dupatta on top of? Okay, men. So these are your four options. First option is a formal suit. Okay. Second option is shirt and trouser. Third option is t-shirt and jeans. And fourth option is lungi. So between these four, suit, lungi, shirt, pant, and t-shirt, jeans, what would you choose?
I will-
Tejas, would you like to start?
Who has to answer first? I'll go with t-shirt and jeans.
T-shirt and jeans. Okay. How about Jitendra?
I will go with Lungi.
Lungi.
I would go.
Okay. Murthy? Murthy, can we have your answer
I
again?
would go with lungi.
Lungi. So 2 votes for lungi.
I said. Yeah.
So Murthy is a South Indian anyway, so lungi fits him. Murthy,
This question
It's
does not
a good
apply
combination. It's a good
demonstration.
one person speak at a time. Please raise your hand or finger before you speak and watch the others. I will try to say this person, but if I'm not, just watch each other and coordinate. Yes, Meera.
I think this question deserves a live demonstration.
So Murthy would have a lungi at home. What about Jitendra? You have one handy?
I
When you
have
go to the market,
I have a lungi, but
you have a lungi,
not
okay.
frequently wearing it.
So let me ask the ladies, do you agree with your husband's choice? Or you have a different recommendation?
No, no. I'm sure you
Absolutely.
know that.
Absolutely.
Absolutely you agree. Okay, okay. Okay. So next time we have a catwalk fashion show, I'll invite you guys to come with the lungi and dupatta,
Yeah.
and Tejas can come with a shirt and trouser. It will be fun to see how you look like wearing a dupatta. I've never seen a man wearing a dupatta. So that should be fun. Cool. Thank you so much. Let's go on then. My next question is for the ladies. Okay. Uh, Now all of you are locked down at home. Most of your makeup is lying idle, right? That's what I hear. We did a survey actually. We spoke to a few people working from home about the wardrobe, and one of the several comments were that the ladies' makeup kits are lying idle or not being used much. Now, question is, what will you do with all the variety of lipsticks that you have stockpiled at home? Okay, and assuming that this lockdown continues for a very long time and you'll not be able to use it, then what will you do? Option number one, you'll put it in your showcase in the living room as a decorative item, lights and some decorations around it, so that it reminds you that हाँ वो भी अच्छे दिन थे. You can use the lipstick.
उसको lipstick बोलते हैं.
Second option is you don't think you will be able to use it. You give it to your kids and kids in your neighborhood for them to use as crayons for drawing and coloring. So that is one option. Third option is you will get a pet dog or cat, female pet, and use the lipstick on that pet. Okay. And fourth option is there's always your husband. You'll use it on your husband. What is the impact? So ladies, what is your choice? Sirisha, would you like to start?
Yeah, I'd like to give it to children to use them as crayons.
As
Make
crayons.
use of it. No point.
Correct. Pura vasool. You have to make it full utility of that. Very good, very good.
Yeah.
Meghna.
Yeah, I'd rather keep it in my bedroom itself, not in the living room. Reminding
Okay.
myself that I need to wear this often, else I have.
Okay, okay. So actually, you can use it on, even if you're not allowed to go out, you can use all this makeup on shows like this.
Yeah, sure. I can use it today too.
Meera, what is your choice?
I can think of actually two things I want to do with my lipstick. The first one is use it as Shilpa Bindi. I'm running out of stock for my Shilpa Bindis.
Okay,
So I'm
okay.
going to use it to paint my bindi here. And the
Okay.
second is a marker. So we are living in a high rise where we have to mark on our bags and leave it at the lobby whenever we want to pick up something. So it's a pen to mark on my bag. And so this is the flat I'm living in. So those two choices from me.
Okay, that's good. That's good. So that's a double use.
Yes.
Same thing. Wonderful, wonderful.
Very utilitarian element. In fact, I thought of it right now. So thanks for the idea. It's definitely
Others who want to use this idea, if the achhe din don't come, then that's another option for all of you to use. Okay, that's good. Let's go on. Okay, now this question is again back to the men. So new insurance company has come into the market. Okay, and they're offering some very fantastic insurance products. Health insurance products. Okay, so then you have to choose one of these products, whatever you think is best for your health and living. So these are all item products. The first product is मुन्नी बदनाम हुई तेरे लिए. मुन्नी बदनाम हुई डार्लिंग तेरे लिए पॉलिसी. ओके. सेकंड, मुन्नी बदनाम हुई डार्लिंग तेरे लिए. मुन्नी बदनाम हुई डार्लिंग तेरे लिए पॉलिसी. ओके. सेकंड पॉलिसी इज छैया छैया चल छैया छैया पॉलिसी. थर्ड ऑप्शन इज कचरा रे काले काले नैना That's the third policy.
कचरा दे कचरा.
And fourth policy is, "Oh मेरा बाबू खेल छबीला मैं तो नाचूंगी." That's the policy. So four policies. मुन्नी बदनाम हुई, छैया छैया, कजरारे, and "Oh मेरा बाबू खेल छबीला." Gentlemen, choose which health policy suits you best. Jitendra, you want to start? You're from the no. Jitendra, come last. You're actually from the insurance sector. Let's say Murthy say something.
So I choose the one which you said, Manoj.
First one,
Babu Chel.
Ba-
Munni Badnaam Hui.
No. Fourth one.
Fourth
Babu
one,
Chel
okay,
Chabila.
fourth one. Oh Mera Babu Chel Chabila. Okay, that's a nice musical policy. Good one.
मैं तो ना.
Nice.
Yeah, that's what I
With the
choose.
dupatta and lungi. This will be the ideal health policy for you.
In anyway, I'm dancing now at home, so
Oh.
it suits me. So
It suits you. It goes well with your lifestyle. Very good. And Tejas, what's your choice?
We'll go with Chaiya Chaiya.
Chaiya. Okay. That's also nice. Jitendra,
Can you just repeat?
sure. मुन्नी बदनाम हुई तेरे लिए. छैया, चल छैया.
हाँ.
कजरारे, कारे नैना.
Okay.
And ओ मेरा बाबू छेल छबीला मैं तो नाचूंगी.
I will go with that fourth choice. Oh Mera Babu.
ओ मेरा बाबू छेल छबीला. Okay. So you and Murthy have a lot in common. That's great. Now, ladies, do you agree with your husband's choice,
Yes.
or you want to recommend something better for him?
No.
So, Padma, Shrisha, you agree, or you want to recommend something better?
That song suits him better than other songs.
That suits him better. Okay. Yeah, understanding between husband and wife. Very good.
Yeah, after 2 months of
Meghna.
continuous observation.
Okay. Also, Murthy, are you dancing or are you being made to dance? Is there clarity on that? Yeah, Murthy, you.
I'm already dancing since last 2 months. Morning, evening, night, every time, whenever you say.
Okay. Tejas, not Tejas, Padma. Do you agree, or do you want a better suggestion you have for Tejas?
No, Meghna.
Meghna.
Yeah, I completely agree.
You also agree?
Yeah.
Your husbands are lucky guys, yeah?
Other things
No
are,
problem in selecting a policy. At least you as a couple will not fight over the policy. You will fight over something else.
yeah.
English policy, like health insurance policy, both of you. Both couples have. What about Meera? You want to suggest a better policy?
If you can just rename that one, मेरा बाबुल छेल छबीला वो तो नाचेगा.
You want to rename it? No, I didn't get you.
You want to probably rename the last one to मेरा बाबू छेल छबीला वो तो नाचेगा.
That's true. Since the policy is for the men, it's nachega and not nachegi.
Exactly.
Very sharp eye for these small things, I think. Very good at quality and testing and all that.
The effect is rubbing. The quality man's effect is rubbing on me.
Rubbing on to you. Correct. Good. So yeah, that's good. So we have 3 insurance policies sold. Please keep your checks ready. I'll come next week to collect the premium.
You can't come. We'll do online transfer, Manoj.
No online transfer. Fine. That's also fine. I'm hoping I'm coming. Get some chai coffee also. Along with the policy payment. So one more question on financial matters. So now the question for the ladies. Okay. 4 new banks have come. RBI is giving licenses to new banks to come in. So 4 new musical banks have come into the market, and you have to choose which bank you like most based on music. So these 4 banks are Dinka Chika Bank, Salman Khan's Dinka Chika Bank, okay, Shah Rukh Khan's Lungi Dance Bank, Shami Kapoor's Yahoo Bank, कोई मुझे जंगली कहे, कहने दो कहता रहे. And fourth one is An Evening in Paris Bank. I think that is also Shami Kapoor.
No,
Shami
that's
Kapoor.
Joy Mukherjee.
An Evening in Paris.
Joy Mukherjee.
So, which bank ladies would you like to bank with? Shami Kapoor Bank, Shah Rukh Khan Bank, Salman Khan Bank. So, Meera, we can start with you.
Since my babu is Chel Chabila, I'll go with Yahoo, चाहे कोई मुझे जंगली कहे.
Okay, okay. Jangli Bank, Yahoo Bank. Very good, very good. तो बैंक का फ्यूचर अच्छा है उसका. मेघना, what is your choice?
Shah Rukh Bank, of course.
शाहरुख खान बैंक, लुंगी डांस.
Lungi dance.
तेजस, एक लुंगी तो रेडी रखो.
ले लूंगा मैं.
करेक्ट. लुंगी डांस होने वाला घर पे.
हाँ.
So if you need money, you'll have to do a lungi dance to get your daily
Yeah.
allowance probably. Right? Then Sirisha.
Yeah, I'd like to go with Lungi Bank again because he's anyways wearing Lungi with dupatta. So, yeah,
Lungi dance bank. Okay.
that bank would be suiting it.
So Lungi dance bank and Yahoo Bank. These are the two banks that are going to do well. Cool. That's good. Gentlemen, do you agree with your wife's choice? Huh? Fully agree.
Fully agree. I want to see if anyone disagrees in both of them.
Exactly. I was
Yeah, Tejas, what?
Do you think we'll disagree? Especially in the lockdown.
So your password will be taken away if you disagree.
I'll have a call after this call to see on a video call what is the status of whoever disagrees.
Okay. So let's go ahead then. Fun so far. Okay, question for the men now. Again, we're going back to fashion. So all of you are participating in video conferences related to your work, right? With your colleagues, with your boss, with other people in your organization. Now your CEO has got bored of seeing you in the same clothes again and again. Okay. He said now a new mandate that from tomorrow onwards, you have to wear extremely casual clothes. No shirts, no jackets, only informal clothes. Okay. So now you have to choose what informal clothes you're going to wear in all these official meetings, video conference meetings. So 4 options. First is kurta, okay, casual kurta. Second is hoodie. So that's a t-shirt with what kids like nowadays a lot. Third is collarless t-shirt, banyan type of t-shirt. And fourth is a gym t-shirt, the t-shirt that you wear in your gym, sleeveless, with all your biceps, triceps, everything showing. So men, which of these will you wear in your office meetings? Murthy, you start.
Yeah, okay. I'll wear a gym t-shirt, so I can show that I'm also working out and working also.
Okay. Fantastic. You get some extra points in the meetings. So you have your biceps and triceps and muscles. Good.
No, I don't have that, but I'll still try to show off.
Okay. So it's only a matter of competition. There's no absolute. Whoever is 5% ahead is the winner then. Cool. So actually this will then encourage more people to be
Absolutely.
go to exercise at home.
That's right.
Jitendra, what is your choice? What will you wear?
I think Meera has always been wanting me to wear something called kurta as a traditional look. In fact, she liked me when my photographs went to her place, which was with the kurta.
Okay.
Given this occasion, now I would like to really wear kurta because I will be at home and I will be sitting in front of my boss.
Okay. So both bosses will be happy. Okay, that's good. So
Both my
ethnic wear,
bosses will be satisfied.
yeah, ethnic wear is coming back in fashion, according to Jitendra. Cool. Tejas, what is your choice?
Kurta is my favorite.
You are also kurta kind of person. Okay. So I think many of these questions, at least 2 out of the 3 couples have a same choice. So which are both milte julte hain, at least between on different issues. That's good. Good. Ladies, so Meera I'm sure agrees. Meera, Jitendra already vouched for Meera for her preference. Meghna, what do you think? Tejas should wear a kurta or
I was sure he would select kurta. He's not a same kind of person. He's not a Vanyan type of person who will wear that on an official meet. So he was going to choose kurta.
but how would he look in a hoodie? I'm just wondering.
He's been wearing it, but not on any official meet.
Okay,
So it was a right choice.
that's the right choice. Okay. Tirisha, how would Murthy look in a hoodie or a kurta?
Yeah,
He's wearing a kurta now, I think.
yeah, he is right now wearing a kurta.
Okay.
So gym t-shirt is something that he won't ever wear. So he chose that because it would be different. During lockdown, you are doing unusual things. So this will be
So I think this is the time where all your eccentricities can come out.
something out.
You're hiding from society, but it is running inside you. Cool. That's good. Nice choices. I think we're still in the fashion mode. So now I come to the ladies. So earlier we talked about your lipstick becoming useless because of the lockdown. But suppose all this virus thing comes under control very quickly and Modi ji quickly declares, okay, lockdown is lifted. Now you can go out and start shopping. And you feel in the mood to do, and ladies, you feel like going out and filling all that missing shopping urges that you have had all these months. So you enter a makeup store and you have a choice of lipsticks. And new kind of lipsticks are there in the market. You know? So there's companies that make all this makeup become very creative. So now there are 4 new varieties for you to choose, 4 new types of lipsticks. And so you tell me which one you're going to choose. Okay. The first type is lipstick with built-in sanitizer. Okay. Second choice is lipsticks with vitamins and minerals that will make your lip muscles strong. So vitamins for your lips. Third is lipsticks with built-in glue so that you can kiss longer. And fourth is lipstick that automatically changes color with the color of your dress. So you don't have to change the morning, afternoon, evening if you change your clothes. You don't have to change your lipstick. It will automatically match whatever you're wearing. So 4 new varieties of lipsticks. And ladies, you choose. Sirisha, what would you? Let's start with you. What is your preference? Which kind?
If you are like immediately after lockdown, you still will have those fears of getting infected. So I would go with a lipstick with influenza or whatever. Early days, so you'll be a little more cautious.
You'll be a little cautious. Fair enough. That's very logical, actually. Meera, what is your choice?
100% in agreement with Shisha.
Sorry, I didn't get you.
I am in agreement with Shisha. I'll go with the sanitizer.
Sanitizer lipstick, okay.
Bargain for one.
What about
Makeup.
Meghna? Yeah, what about Meghna?
Yeah, it is the last one which changes color as per my.
Okay.
And I just realized I'll be in my mask, so you can only maybe that is my urge to wear it, not really seen.
So you cannot wear a transparent mask, actually. So-
I'll need the first one
okay.
with the sanitizer.
Okay. So good thing society has become much more health conscious now. It's not just during the lockdown, but even after the lockdown. So this, I think this will make our Swachh Bharat Abhiyan and Swasth Bharat Abhiyan. Good, yeah. Fantastic. चलो आगे चलते हैं. So repeated lipsticks with the ladies. Now we'll repeat dupatta with the men. Okay, Ben, ready? So your wife is asking you the question. Okay. So the market is open. You're shopping. You're buying lipsticks and clothes and all that. So you are in some shop. Ladies wear shop, and there's some disagreement. Let's say, and your wife puts this filmy dialogue to you. एक दुपट्टे की कीमत तुम क्या जानो? Okay. So there's this filmy dialogue. एक चुटकी सिंदूर की कीमत तुम क्या जानो? Ladies are smart. When they're buying sindoor, they'll use that dialogue. When they're buying clothes, they'll change it to एक दुपट्टे की कीमत तुम क्या जानो? So now you men have to respond to this. Okay. And you have 4 options. Your first option is you tell your wife that this question is out of syllabus. In no school, no textbook in school or college was there any matter about pricing of ladies' garments. So this is completely out of syllabus. So ये नहीं चलेगा. Okay. Second question. Second option. Dupatta is the subject matter of negotiation. Hence, its price cannot be fixed. Okay. Third option. You are not going to wear the dupatta, gents, anyway, so you really don't care. So जो खरीदना है खरीदो. This is my fixed budget overall. You spend it the way you like. The overall thing that counts, not the cost of the dupatta. Fourth option is you tell your wife that there's actually no point in knowing the cost of the dupatta because I'm going to end up spending much more on matching lipstick, matching nail polish, matching something else, jewelry and all that. So dupatta is a very tiny cost in the entire package. So you really don't care what the dupatta costs. You want to look at only at the cost of the other more expensive items. So there is an economist within you, and that's the fourth option. So I'll repeat again. Question is out of syllabus. Option 2 is dupatta is the subject matter of negotiation. Option 3, it's part of an overall cost of clothes. And option 4, the cost of accessories and makeup is going to be much higher than dupatta. So you really don't care about the cost of the dupatta. Right? So let's start with Meghna.
Advance.
Sorry. This question is for the men. Sorry.
Again, right?
Men. Tejas.
Option 2.
Option 2 is the subject matter of negotiation. Okay. Very good. So Tejas has good experience in negotiating or not? How do you rate yourself?
Hardcore negotiator.
You're a good negotiator.
Hardcore negotiator, I'll say.
That's with work, not with retail buying.
पूरा market में भेजा तेजस को once the market opens up.
Bargain there.
Pocket खाली करके आ जाएगा फिर. तेजस कुछ तो सीखो. So office में all that cost cutting that happens, you apply here in the home market also.
Yeah, he's been learning now over the years.
Okay. So how many does he know the cost of vegetables? Aloo, tomato, pyaj, bhindi.
Yeah.
He knows?
Yeah.
Okay, great. Achievement.
Recently, he's been more into it, so
Okay.
he knows it all better than what he used to.
Okay. So that's good learning going on here. Wonderful thing. Murthy, what do you say? What will be your choice?
I'll go with the last option, Manoj, because in any cascading, effects of that dupatta are going to come. So
Correct.
no point in it's only a saddle. The horse is yet to come.
So Murthy is a perfect economist. Okay, wonderful.
Murthy is talking from his IT experience. Once you get a hardware or a software, then all the associated expenses which goes on and finally
Exactly.
Correct. So the initial cost doesn't matter much. Correct. And Jitendra, what is your experience?
Saying that the third choice is what I will go for. Is saying that actually it does not matter or I don't care because
Okay.
it's your money and it's your choice which you are going to be exercising. So please take a matching. You should be liking it.
Okay, okay. Okay, good, good. So ladies, do you think your husband is doing the right thing or you think he should, so that's fundamental question. Do you think he should know the cost of dupatta?
Yeah.
I don't think so.
No. Let it be a secret.
Better that way.
No, let
Yeah.
him enjoy what he sees. He doesn't have to realize how much he has spent on it.
Okay. So probably he'll enjoy it more if he doesn't know how much it costs, right?
Yeah. Less of stress for him.
Less stress for him, correct. Let him take stress in the office, not at home. What do you think, Meera? Jitendra should know the cost of small things like this?
He should know the cost of it doesn't matter, but as long as he's paying for it and as long as he's appreciating it, there is no other issue.
So appreciation matters more than the cost. Okay. That makes sense. So you should buy that dupatta for which you get maximum appreciation. Yes.
So yeah, that is a double-edged sword, you know. He might buy a cheap one and continuously praise it every day. So it has to be appreciable for both him and me.
Okay.
But as long as he's paying for it, it's fine.
You should know that there are times where a certain clothing is bought only because it has got a good dupatta. Design in the dupatta and the texture is so good that you are actually buying the whole clothing based on dupatta.
Okay. Okay.
And there are also occasions where you have bought the clothing but dupatta is not available. You have to really search for the matching dupatta.
Yes, I've seen my wife do that. Correct. So ladies' clothing is complicated anyway. It's difficult for men to figure it out. Just ladies only decide what is perfect. Okay, we're doing good. So now we come to the ladies. Okay. So let's say people are getting bored at home, right? And the men and women, the husband and wife, decide to have a competition. Okay. बैठे बैठे क्या करें? Time pass करना है ना? Have a competition. And so the men start this competition, and the men have this filmy dialogue. So this is a filmy dialogue kind of competition. So husband starts. मेरे पास रोलेक्स है, मर्सिडीज है, गुच्ची है, एप्पल फोन है, और क्या होता है, लुई विटॉन है, मेरे पास ये सब है, तुम्हारे पास क्या है? Okay. So now the ladies have to respond to this men's post, and here are your choices. Okay. So you ladies can say, मेरे पास बैंक लॉकर की चाबी है. Okay. Is that good enough, or do you want more options? Is that
Yeah.
Yeah, of course.
more?
That is good enough.
Good enough. Okay. Who's saying good enough?
Me.
Me. Okay. So Meghna ने अपना fix कर लिया. Sirisha, you want more options?
No, I'll say I have you. You have so many things. I have thing.
नहीं वो option नहीं है.
That would have been my ideal option. Now you.
ठीक है. I'll give you one more option.
Yeah, sure.
So Meghna, you can try again if you like the better option. The other option. So ladies can say मेरे पास तुम्हारे सारे passwords हैं. बैंक अकाउंट के, ईमेल के, व्हाट्सएप के, सबके पासवर्ड. And that is more valuable than Rolex and Gucci and Mercedes and all that. Okay, one more option, ladies. Meera, one more option.
Let's see if there's a better one, but these two are
Okay.
pretty
Okay,
good.
I'll give you one more. So ladies, you can say मेरे पास brains भी है और beauty भी है. And if you still want one more option, I'll tell you. These three are mostly enough. But if you want one more option, then the last option is मेरे हाथ में तुम्हारा future लिखा है. So like someone said, you know, you can't get away. So now ladies choose between these four options. बैंक लॉकर की चाबी, सारे पासवर्ड हस्बैंड के, ब्यूटी एंड ब्रेन्स and future of your husband in your hand. So what will you choose to counter all the Rolex and Apple and Mercedes and all that he has? So remember, it's a competition round, not an elimination round.
I think option 2 for me. Whatever I have a control of all your passwords.
Passwords, okay. Okay. Okay, that's interesting. Password is good enough in the digital age. So Jitin, all you have to make sure is that your fingerprint and your iris remains yours.
Yes.
तो थोड़ा बहुत हमारा काम चल जाएगा. Tejas and Murthy, both of you are bankers. What option do you choose?
Why is it you?
Yeah,
Why-
we will choose.
Sorry. The question for the moment. Yeah. So Sirisha.
I have his future in my hands. That would be better.
I thought so. She'll tell me that.
Okay. And Meghna,
1 as it is and 4 added.
1 plus 4. Okay. लॉकर चाबी भी है and आपकी लकीर भी है. So all three husbands, all three of you are like lost the competition heavily, you know. Despite all your Rolex and Apple and Mercedes, कुछ काम का नहीं. तो थोड़ा प्रायोरिटीज चेंज करो. मेरे पास ये है, मेरे पास वो है. You to think higher, थोड़ा ऊंचे दर्जे के थॉट्स लाने पड़ेंगे. Good. So ladies, you win this round. चलो आगे चलते हैं. Now the question for the men. Okay. Your wife is really happy with you and she's going to cook you a nice meal today. Okay. After all this show and whatever else. So she got everything at home, but she doesn't have curry patta. You know what curry patta is, right? Gents? So she asks you, there's a garden downstairs below. Just go and get some curry patta. Okay? You are sitting at home, lockdown. Obviously, you need an opportunity to go out. So you men happily immediately go. आज तो बढ़िया खाना मिलेगा. Let me get some curry patta to have the perfect dinner. You reach the garden. You start looking. Then you realize you can't identify curry patta. There are many plants there. There's all kinds of plants there, and you don't know what curry patta looks like. You're confused. Now, in the rush to come there, you forgot your phone also at home. You can't even call your wife and ask, what does curry patta look like? Now you have to guess. So then what you have 4 choices, and you tell me what you will do. First choice, you will try to short down one which you think is curry patta, based on whatever it looks like, whatever it smells like, and you will take a few leaves of that. Okay? And show your wife how intelligent you are. Second, you say this is very risky. If I make the wrong choice, तो घर पे गाली मिलेंगी. मेरे इज्जत का कचरा हो जाएगा. Let me take at least 3 leaves. You collect the leaves of 3 different plants, okay, and hoping that at least one of them will be curry patta. So तुम्हारा इज्जत बच जाएगा. Third option, you said it's too risky. To even 3 is too risky. So you actually take leaves of 10 different plants. Okay. 10 में से एक तो हो गई. Fourth option, you take leaves of all the plants in the garden. And maybe this reminds you of someone from Ramayana.
Hanuman.
Hanumanji taking home Jari Buti. You take all the leaves and then leave it to your wife to choose the right one, just like it happened in Ramayana. So, gentlemen, what will you do? 1 set of leaves, 3 set of leaves, 10 set of leaves, or all the variety of leaves in the garden? Men. Tejas, let's start with Tejas.
I'll take 3. I think इतना तो confidence है curry patta तो आता है.
10 में काम हो जाएगा. Okay.
Three. I'll take 3 choice. 3 varieties.
Choice number 3. 3 leaves.
No, 3 leaves.
3 leaves, 1 out of 3. Okay. Okay. Jitendra, what will you do?
I will for sure pick up tulsi plant because I will be in a position to identify if there other plants are there, and I am not in a position to identify for any reason kadi patta. So with the pretext that at least खाने में तुलसी पत्ता का भोग लगा दूंगा मैं.
Okay.
अगर प्रभु प्रसन्न हो जाएंगे तो मेरी पत्नी भी प्रसन्न हो जाएगी.
So that's a good escape route actually.
I can live without kadi patta and the taste of kadi patta, but at least tulsi will be there.
Tulsi will be there. So you can say you wanted customers with Tulsi rather than Kari Patta.
Yeah.
You can give a good excuse. Okay, that's an intelligent answer, Jitendra. Good one. And Murthy, what is your choice? 1, 3, 10.
So I'll also go with 3. I think 3 is okay. You know,
One out of 3.
तीन में से at least I'll take. I'll go with Tejas what he mentioned. 3 is fine.
3 is fine. If it doesn't work out, then you're ready to go back again.
Absolutely.
Do we have a choice?
But in real sense, Manoj, I've got a kadi patta plant at home.
Oh, okay, okay. You're already prepared.
I don't have to go down to the garden also.
एक क्वेश्चन पेपर लीक तो नहीं हो गया?
I was looking at my, for picture of my kadi patta plant. So.
Okay, okay.
Almost a 5-year-old plant.
Yeah.
Okay. So, wife, what do you think? They should. You think they should go? You're okay with their choice?
Yeah.
Okay.
Absolutely.
Yeah, Tejas is a very good cook. So
Okay.
for to identify any leaf, I am sure is not going to be a problem.
That's good. That's good.
That is true.
Kadi patta and maybe lots.
Correct, correct. So maybe you'll get 2 other leaves that you don't know and put it in the food. Then he'll surprise you. देखो ये क्या है?
Yeah. Full of surprises, yeah.
Good, good, yeah. This, I find this meant to be much more creative. And I thought, घर पे रह के आप लोग की सबकी creativity बढ़ गई है. So you all know that Modi ji has announced a package of 20 lakh crores for the country to help us get out of this economic mess that we are in. Right? And that's a great step. Now the question is about this 20 lakh crore. And the question is, how many zeros are there in 20 lakh crore? Okay. So I'll give you 4 options. You have to choose only from these 4 options. No 5th option. Okay.
6 plus 7.
So option number 1. 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. That many zeros. Okay. Got it? Second option. 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. That is option number 2. Option number 3. 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Answer option number 3. And fourth option. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. That's an option number 4. Now you have to choose from one of these options. And don't just tell me your choice, option 1, option 2, option. You have to do it yourself. You have to say it or sing it. जो भी आपका option है. So do you want me to repeat? You know.
Just repeat it once again, Manoj.
A single bell. And repeat.
So one is so many zeros, fast 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Other is your happy birthday zeros. Third is your jingle bell zeros. Fourth is your Mary had a little lamb. That many zeros. 3 different tunes and one very fast.
So I
Which one is Murthy?
I wrote the jingle bell zeros.
So sing it and tell me.
zero 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 zero.
Good, good, wonderful. Tejas and Meghna.
We will go with Jingle Bell too.
Okay, so now
Zero, 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 zero. 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0.
wonderful, wonderful. Great. Meera, Jitendra, what is your choice?
We'll go with Mary had a little lamb.
Okay.
0 0 0 0 0 0 0
Wonderful, yeah. All three of you passed with 9 colors. Fantastic. So Modi ji is going to be very proud of all of you. Maybe you'll get an offer from the PMO or from the Finance Ministry to help them in the implementation of this 20 lakh crore package. So be prepared. You're all of you are professionals. Someone from agriculture, someone from insurance, someone from PA, someone from quality. Fantastic. Yeah. Beautiful. So friends, those were my set of challenging questions for you. I had a lot of fun. I hope you also had a lot of fun. I liked your participation a lot. All of you have super participation. I appreciate you. And yeah, that's it. How was it for you guys?
It was
It was a good break. Good break.
Good break.
It was a really unique, event and nice meeting all of these couples and fantastic event, Manoj.
After being in lockdown, not meeting any of our friends or relatives, seeing you all was good fun. Thank you.
Okay, that's
Yeah.
great. That's great. Yeah, I'm missing my sister and her in-laws. And her in-laws, right? They haven't met for a long while physically. But how was this show? How was this program?
Fantastic program. This was
Fantastic. Very good.
unique events.
Lot of creativity.
All of you speaking. Meera and Jitendra, one at a time.
I think you have been very creative in terms of putting your thoughts, your questions, and making it really enjoyable. In terms of it was not something which was requiring a preparation. It was coming extempo and creating a fun at that moment. So living in that moment is something which you actually proved in that 1 hour. So thank you.
No, thank you so much. It was wonderful. That was the idea actually. No tension, zero tension. To wash away whatever tension you have. I've been doing this this is the third Sunday now. You're right, it does require a lot of preparation, each of these questions. But the end result is really fun. It's worth it. It's like the finals of a T20 or World Cup or whatever excites you. So that's great. Wonderful having all. Any other thoughts, comments, suggestions? Any suggestions to make it better or to do something different?
This was perfect, Manoj. I think that was you not giving us the questions in advance, so that added to the fun more. So
Correct.
extempore, as Jitendra said. So it was really nice.
So there's like a movie. If you know the story up front,
Exactly.
then you will not enjoy that movie. It has to reveal itself
Yeah.
every minute. Some new scene, some new character, some new story angle. That's where the fun lies.
So even for all those who's watching, this was not pre-planned. So this is on spot.
Yeah, right. It's impossible to pre-plan all this. Wonderful.
Also,
Great. Yeah.
I would like
Yeah.
to add, lockdown, as a couple, we have not experienced anything in the 2 months together. It's always been with kids, or it's been watching a movie, or maybe doing some cooking together, but not, attending some fun quiz. So it was a unique experience and really enjoyable. I loved your questions and the options.
Thank you so much. So, ladies, you must understand, I could have done this easily with just the guys. The guys are my professional friends, right? But in this situation, it is very clear that happiness starts at home, not in the office. A happy home is more important than the happy office. I mean, as a banking front is, we focus only on the work part of their lives. But I thought in banking front has been sharing knowledge over all these 19, 20 years that we've been around. But I felt, and my team also felt, that we should be sharing happiness, not just knowledge. Happiness is really the need of the hour in a tense time. And why share it only with the bankers and insurance guys and NBFC guys? Bring the spouses also. Because it's a little odd step. I thought if the situation was so unique and different that it was worth being wise. And let me tell you, it's the wives who bring in more fun into this equation, into this whole project. Without you ladies, it would be less than half of as much fun. So, a real appreciation to all of you for coming in and enjoying.
Sure, Manoj.
Okay, great.
Thank
Thank
you,
you all.
Manoj. Thank you, Manoj.
Bye.
Rest of the day.
Bye, everyone.
Be happy to have you.
Bye.
Bye bye. Take care.